Hey guys, so I just stepped out the office quickly and I wanted to talk about something that's truly been interesting me. And that is the whole idea of personas over behaviors, or behaviors over personas, I should say. One thing that was said to me is, it's good to design personas. But sometimes what you can find when you design personas is that personas can at times become so rigid and so fixed that we may focus on the wrong things. So when we're designing a persona, we do start with our demographics. We're looking at, what's their age, what's their title, what's their gender, where are they based, location-wise. Many a times when we're looking at these demographics, even though they're interesting, a lot of times it doesn't go far enough to get us to where we need to go. If you focus on what people are behaviors, if you focus on what are the things that connects people, they might fall into different demographics. So for example, if we are trying to design for people who are into, sportswear, they love sportswear. But you might think, the type of person that loves sportswear is a millennial, that's X age, that lives in a certain location, or, fits a certain demographic. But if you focus on what the person is interested in, so if someone's going to buy this sportswear, what other things do they like? What other places do they go? What other things do they read? What other people do they follow? And you think about all of the things that connect people from behavioral standpoints. We're kind of talking more about psychographics now, more than demographics. When you think about the psychographics, what are the things that people like? What are they interested in? What are they watching? Where are they going to? What are they reading? A lot of times those are the better things to segment people under versus segmenting people under demographics and thinking that it's because of the demographics why these people like the same things, or it's because of the demographics why people are acting the same way, or it's because of the demographics why people think the same way. No. I want to pose to you that it's because of the psychographics, the way somebody is actually, what are they doing? How are they thinking about what they're doing? How do they feel about the places that they're going to and the things that they're watching and the things that they're seeing? So sometimes as UX designers, just a simple tip I want to share with you is really spend time with the psychographics and don't let the business goals try and take you away from trying to understand the user, and don't spend so much time on the persona mapping and be rigid in the persona mapping that you forget to truly try and actually look at what bonds people, what are the things that connect people. I like to look at it like this. If you remember when you were younger and you saw a film in the cinema, and what's so funny is that you go to school and people will come from, especially for us here in London, is that people will come from different backgrounds. So some might come from an Asian background, some might come from Caribbean background, an African background, a white background, culturally, right? Or some might come from homes with younger parents, some might come from homes with older parents. And although people come from all of these different homes with people from different backgrounds and all this stuff, when we go to school and we talk about what we love, did you see those new Ronaldo boots that came out? Or did you watch that movie that came out? Those are the things that bond us, that connect us to the point where, irrespective of the demographics, the cultural things that segment us, there are these things that just unite us and bond us and that keep us closer together and more connected than ever before. A lot of times when we're designing as users, experienced designers, when we're designing as UX designers, really pay attention to the things that bond people, but versus focusing on the things that can sometimes, on a superficial level connect people, and but sometimes can be seen as things that divide us, such as like race or even gender. If you look at, people can be on different genders, but they might like the same films, or they might like the same brands, they might like the same places to go to. So really pay attention to the psychographics. That's my simple UX tip for today. Hope it's been of value to you, but definitely you can improve your life through creative advice. Definitely subscribe to my channel, but let me know what you think about this. What are some of the things that you think as UX designers we should be paying attention to more? Just put it in the comments below, and hopefully maybe if you guys like these lunchtime tips, when I come out tomorrow lunchtime, I can share something new. So take care guys, and have a great day. Bye bye.